Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Your Everyday Economics. In today's video, I will be giving you an overview of personal finance and investing. What is personal finance? Personal finance is the management of your money and investing. So what is investing? Investing is a process of putting your money into assets in the expectation of getting a return or profit over them. Why is financial planning that important? I feel financial planning is very important for everyone if they want to build wealth over time and live debt free. There are different types of investment you can do. You can invest in stocks of companies, you can invest in bonds, you can invest in real estate or real estate trust, or you can invest in index fund or mutual funds or ETFs that include a variety of stocks or bonds. There are risks and benefits for each of these asset classes, and we will be going over these in my future videos. But for today's sake, I just want to make one point that there is a direct relationship between risk and return. The higher the risk, the higher the return. The lower the risk, the lower the return. Also, time plays a very important role in investing. Whenever an investment is kept for a long time, it tends to give you a higher return. This is true for stocks, for real estate, for bonds, and for commodities. There are many investing strategies that people use, but two of my most favorite ones are dollar cost averaging, where you put in certain amount of money every period, such as monthly or weekly, and you keep doing it over time without looking at the market trends, whether there's a growth in stocks or the market is experiencing a bear market. You just keep doing it, taking your emotions out, and over the long run, you will get good returns. There are also other investing strategies called buy and hold and value investing, and I will be covering those in another video. Since this video is just an overview of personal finance and investing, we will be just looking at broadly all the topics that it covers. The three important concepts in investing are called diversification, asset allocation, and rebalancing. We will be looking at those in future videos, so stay tuned for that. I hope you found today's video useful. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and have a great day.